All right, so what we've got here is a 2006 Power Wagon. I've already taken the bed off the back and picked this up at an insurance auction. It's pretty rough. It's had just exterior cosmetic issues, but not necessarily anything frame or powertrain. Kind of tight space here, so you're just gonna have to bear with me as far as getting to walk around on the truck. But the plan is to turn this into a regular cab short bed. So capabilities of the Power Wagon pretty good. Got the electronically locking axles and disconnecting sway bar, but just challenged with the length of the vehicle being really too long to maneuver well on the trails, and then you know, affecting that breakover angle. So gonna make some videos here that kind of show progress along the way, and I'll post some pictures on my webpage as well. It's allardfabrications.com, and hope you enjoy the videos. Thanks.